had a dream last night. You know, one of those dreams where everything is perfect. And this feeling of love, happiness, and endless joy fills your soul. And that feeling lingers throughout your day. Like the light breath of budding flowers, the late May showers, mutual gaze followed by blushing. But the thing about dreams is that it's just a meld of people, places, daydreams, movies, stories, memories, and deep emotions you've had throughout your life. So I guess somewhere in my life I felt this feeling before. And that brings me, well, hope.
So, this is where you live, huh?
No, this is where we are going to live.
No. I don't think I could afford this much house.
What much house? This is probably the smallest house in town. And I don't need your money. I just need you to help co-sign the loan.
Oh, well, do I get to live here?
Yeah, you chump.
What about your girlfriend?
Don't want to talk about it.
Well, does this place come furnished?
Yes. Yes, it does.
All right, bodacious. I'm gonna go check out the rooms.
Welcome to the bachelor pad, or what I like to call it, the brothel.
Wait, are we selling our bodies here?
I didn't think about that. Let's just call it the pad.
All right. This is the life, I tells ya. Hey, what happened with your girl? Well, I mean ex.
Oh, Hannah. Well, started with the sex. It just wasn't good. You know, tried spicing it up in the bedroom, and that night, after a few drinks, we were just feeling it, you know? You know how I get after a few stouts.
Don't remind me.
So I'm getting ready to bone her, like an animal.
Like an animal?
And all of a sudden, she starts licking my nipple.
Did you like it?
What?
Did you do the tongue twister on it?
No. She deep-throated my boob. Held it like a freaking burrito. I even heard her gag.
Oh, damn.
I know! I couldn't even look her in the eye anymore after that. Sometimes I just look in the mirror and call myself a dirty little slut.
Wow. You need a rebound. Preferably one that doesn't like sucking on man boob. You know what? Kelly's. Let's go to Kelly's. Always hot chicks there. Sure, they actively ignore guys like us, but it's good to kind of wonder what if.
Yeah, maybe a new scenery and new drunks might help. My local bar just got shut down for a health code violation. Apparently they were running a bootleg plastic surgery center there. Who knew?
Jeez, what a great idea. You know what, let me jump in a shower and then we'll head out.
Sweet. What's wrong?
She called.
She?
Jennifer?
Oh, no way. What did she say?
I didn't answer. I don't know if I'm ready to hear her voice, and she might pull me back into her web, and I don't want that.
Yeah. I've seen that play out way too many times.
I'm not listening to that voicemail. I'm not gonna let it ruin our celebration. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and we'll get out of here.
I hate her. Let me listen to it.
No, because it will somehow ruin your day as well.
Probably. But the hate I have for her will overcome that.
Sure. Just don't tell me anything about it.
Yeah, you got it.
Hey, Sam. I'm pregnant. Call me back.
Oh, shit.
told you to meet me by the old train, but you decided